Good morning everyone. It is Saturday the 9th of Feb, I think it's the 9th, and it's the start of my 2024 wedding season. And I thought for this year I want to document everything I do and everywhere I go in association with my wedding season, and this is the start of it. We're in the Lake District. For those of you who've watched the channel before, you might recognise this location. We're at Blea Tarn and it's shaping up to be a beautiful morning. The clouds are clearing over there, they're clearing over here. We can see the top of this mountain. The reflections in the water look mega at the moment. And sorry, I'm just making sure they're not arriving. We can see snow caps through there, and we're gonna head down there as well. This could be sensational. So I'm gonna put my GoPro on, we'll go meet the gang, and we'll see what we get. But yeah, see you later. Yeah, have a little wander down. No, don't worry. Have you got a skimming arm on you?
Oh, I'm rubbish at it. I've tried so many times.
So I bought loads of like film with me, but I just can't shoot it at the moment because it's raining. And because the cameras are so old, they're not weatherproofed, which is sad. So hopefully it'll go, and then I can blast some film while we're about as well.
I feel like you said that.
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
I'm angry.
This light is actually mega. Yeah, cute guys. If you want to just sort of be walking towards me, I'm going to be following you back, just like looking at each other. And just, yeah. Yeah, do either of you have a preferred side actually? Like, face-wise?
I've got a dimple on that side.
Do you like your dimple or?
Yeah. I'm partial to it.
Okay.
But I don't mind going this side.
Okay, cool.
Maybe we'll figure out our size after these photos.
And then Dan, if you look back for me. Yeah, cute. This light is mega, you know. Okay, so we're gonna do something a bit more energetic. So if you guys start back here for me. So where we just were. And then you're half racing, but I still want you to be holding hands. So it's going to be like what's that thing where it's like a really close finish?
I know what you're saying. What is photo?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that. Because you're going to be holding hands, you'll be quite close to each other. So you're going to try and photo finish past me. You ready, gang? How are you with rain getting wet? Are you okay?
I think so.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, you look great. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. It's kind of the vibe, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, you're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Just having a good time with each other. So yeah, great. I'm just gonna bob up here, and if you could just sort of like, oh, I mean, you're doing it. Just sort of be with each other, like make sure you always got a bit of contact. And then looking in at each other. Yeah, cute. Perfect.
The rest of it, we're just gonna wear me on.
Do you know what? If you'd have rocked it, I'd have been fine with that. So yeah, then you've got like, so that's the frame.
Oh yeah, wow. Oh, cool.
That was expertly done. Well, I might take that back. It was all right. So if you just sort of like have your hands on each other, yeah, just holding hands for me with that. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Oh, it actually looks so sick, you know. Yeah. I'm just gonna like try and emulate it on my phone so you can see what it looks like. Do you want to give it a little jump off? Oh, actually, while you're there, do you want to just do like a proper hipster pose for me?
Oh yeah. What?
Yeah.
Yes. Is this the Wes Anderson?
Yeah.
You might have to swap sides.
Do you want to swap sides?
Yeah. Enjoy that side. Look at me. Mine is slipping. Oh.
I'm way too tall now.
1 foot down. Was it like that?
Yeah, that's way better. Yeah. And then, oh.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, but I quite like that. That was quite nice. And then one more, like looking at each other.
Wait. Okay.
Go.
3, 2, 1. Okay, no. You're like, oh.
It was a good attempt. Pacing.
Oh yeah, that's what we were talking about.
So if you guys want to head down this path, yeah, just keeping, I'll tell you what, Dan, if you like arm over and Frankie arm round, yeah, just lift your arm up at the back and pull Dan's shirt down. There you go, yeah. So, Frankie, if you want to lead by a pace this time, so you're going to be ahead, so sort of like holding Dan's hand, yeah, looking back, yeah, beckon him towards you, yeah. And then looking back at me, Frankie, but keep on walking, if you can. And then, as you guys are up there, if you just sort of like hold hands and like move in and move out and just sort of like, yeah. And if at any point, Dan, you feel like wrapping Frankie up, go for it. Oh, you're going to practice a little dip? Dan, come here, I'll show you.
Are you going to dip down?
Yeah, I'm going to dip you, Dan.
Okay, let's do it.
So, hand on back of neck, like this. And then you're going to lift this leg up, okay? And I'm going to grab it. I'm just going to dip you back. You ready? So, if you grab like round my neck, Come on, like you wanna fuck me, Dan. You ready?
Okay, let's go.
Like that.
I love how Dan was like, yeah.
Yeah, that was like a mate at a pub.
Like this. Okay.
Okay, ready?
No, other way.
Yeah, no, that was perfect. Yeah, that's it. Woo!
Just put it out straight.
Okay, straight. Okay, what?
No, like a
Oh, you
bends better.
Carry on dancing or dipping?
Do one more dip, but a little snog at the end of it.
Oh. Okay. Wait. Okay, ready?
I'm ready. Fucking hell, yeah, go on, guys. Yeah, from there's perfect. Okay, and then coming back down, I'd like you to pretend like, not as drunk as you think I'm going to say you should be, because it's quite uneven, but pretend like you're drunk stumbling home at 2 AM from like the local pub. And then when you get closer to me, if you want to feel like you wrap each other up, then go for it.
Okay, how do we wrap each other up?
Just like pull each other in. Yeah, cute, guys. And then just go past me like I'm not here. Okay, come on back up to the like ledgy bit. Yeah, just come up a little bit. Yeah, and then just kind of like be with each other just for a little bit, just there. Oh no. The first thing, Dan, I want you to catch Frankie.
Oh, I've seen these kind of photos before. Should we do a practice catch?
So, like, Frankie, you're gonna be running towards me.
Yeah.
Dan, you gotta catch her before she gets to me.
Like, not rugby tackle.
I don't mind a rugby tackle. Oh. Okay, so just be careful of the rocks. This is really interesting how you've interpreted this. So I've never seen like this is like British Bulldog what you're doing. Yeah, I've never seen. This is great.
I'm misunderstanding.
Yeah, but in the best way. Quite excited. I'm good. Ready when you guys are. The shriek!
I feel like you were.
Yeah, go for it.